everybody, my name is Brandi Franken, and if you've been watching me, you know that I'm a local decorator, most likely just like you, the person who's watching this video. And today I wanted to show you how easy it is to take a small element out of a logo or design and to really make it pop. And today we are going to be working with the amazing UltraColor MAX, which is a direct to film transfer. And the second one that we're going to be working with is UV Shift CAD-CUT HTV. And if you look at my hats, I am using the UltraColor MAX for the blue, red, purple, and then the white is the UV Shift in yellow. And I am going to walk outside just to blow your mind so you can see how easy it is that it literally shifts from this very mundane white to a very fun, vibrant yellow, okay? So here we go. Okay, everyone, so I'm walking out into the sun. It's a bit overcasted, but the shift will still happen with this UV Shift HTV. Look at that. How cool is that? I'm making a very fun and basic looking logo, changing a small element and making it really, really fun. And now we're going to start our project today. Okay, so we are back inside my house. We are using a max heat press today for our presentation. And while that's heating up, let's go over the benefits to why I chose the two different types of material today. First off is UltraColor MAX. UltraColor MAX is a direct to film type of material. It has no white or clear outline. It is heat applied at a low temp of 290 degrees for an upward of 15 seconds. You can use it if you have a logo or a design of multiple colors. It is absolutely phenomenal if you have any heat sensitive type of fabric. And as decorators, you know, it sucks when we scorch material because it is so unappealing and it destroys a garment for your customer. And customers obviously don't really like to see that type of stuff. And one of the huge benefits of using UltraColor MAX, it is a hot peel. I love hot peel type of items. And I think it's because it's like an instant gratification. And so if I have the option to use a hot peel, I would definitely choose a hot peel over a cold peel. And the second type of material, if you remember, is UV Shift from CAD-CUT. It is amazing. It comes in 4 different colors: violet, magenta, yellow, and a beautiful blue color. And it is easy to weed, cut. I use a Roland Cam 24-inch cutter that I bought from Stahls. And it is most equivalent to Ultra Weed. I would have to say it's soft, it stretches, and it's just an all-around very easy material to work with. And our heat press is ready to roll. So let's go ahead and dive into our project, okay? Okay, so I have my crew neck threaded. I have my logo already set. I like it about 3 to 4 inches from the top of the crew neck. I have my craft paper, and we are going to wait 13 seconds, and the temp is at 290 degrees. And it's just about up. We're gonna pull back the carrier. It's super easy to do, and now we're going to raise the heat up a few degrees so we can use a UV Shift, which is 302 degrees for about 10 to 12 seconds. So we'll do about 10 seconds, and it shouldn't take long to warm up. So our heat press is warmed up to 302 degrees. This is the UV Shift that we're going to be applying today, and all I have to do is line it up to the top of the mountains in order to heat apply it. And here we go. I'm very excited to see how this turns out. And it just popped up. It is a hot peel as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cool. I'm so excited to show you this. Okay, here you go. Hot off the press, baby. Bada bing, it is done. So I'm going to put it on and I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you the transition with the UV Shift HTV. So give me just a moment. So I'm outside. I'm going to reveal the final project. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! How cool is that? That turned out even better than I had imagined. I hope this really encourages you guys to try a new type of HTV from Stahls. And the sky's the limit. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.